Today is so special. This is one of the most special things that happen in real estate. Today is Mufasa open house. All right, you can see this is Mufasa. This is Erifa in Ikate Lekki, Elegushi. All right, a lot of things is gonna be revealed to a lot of our clients and potential ones that are still interested in short-let business and rental investment. This is a rental income property, and also if you wish to live there, so watch this video to the end. If you desire a home in Ikate, watch this video to the end. You can see everybody is waiting in expectation of this open house. This is a special day indeed in the life of every realtor, in the life of every client and investor, especially those ones that have put their hard-earned money in a project like this, and everybody is excited to see that, oh, the project is now standing. Something that started like a dream, but right now is a reality. So we have clients on ground, we have realtors on ground on this special occasion of open up. Mufasa is just so elegant, and I want you to listen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Thank you for connecting with me. Here I'm standing in front of Mufasa Apartments. Less than 9 months ago, when this project started, many people say, oh, this is not possible. How will it be possible? How are they going to deliver this kind of project in Lagos within 12 months? Ladies and gentlemen, here's Mufasa standing already. This is Ikate Lekki, and here we already have in studio apartment. We have 2-bedroom apartment with BQ, also 3-bedroom apartment already standing here. Today, Wednesday, 24th September 2022, is an open house, and that's why I'm here. I'll be unveiling a lot of things about Mufasa Apartments. So I will enjoy you to also follow me and ensure you watch my video to the end, as I'll be taking you through the open house event we are having today. Please ensure you watch to the end, and don't forget, from tomorrow, which is 22nd of September, price will be reviewed upward. So I will advise you to take advantage of the current price. All right, and ensure you watch the video to the end. Ensure you see every detail. It's already standing. We've already taken it up to like the 3rd floor now. So you can see what keeps going on every day, so that we can deliver this project to every of our clients that invested in Mufasa. So thank you for watching my video. I remain in your last early consultant ToksRealty. Don't forget to watch the
On this block, we have just one unit of apartment remaining. And today, tomorrow, that apartment is selling for 67 million. But after tomorrow, which is the 22nd from the 23rd, everything here becomes 72 million. That's to reflect the current inflation rate in the country. Everything, even up to yesterday, the granite I bought last week is no longer the same price. And it doesn't add 2,000. It adds upwards of 50,000. You know. So when I started this project, we bought sand for 60,000. As I speak to you, I'm buying sand for 135,000. The same project, 100%. The same project, 100%. And you can't do anything without iron rod, sand, cement, and granite. You can't really do anything without it. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it is. So we still have 2 bedrooms remaining there. And there's a new project called Mufasa X over there. That's Mufasa X. That's exclusively for what it means is for people that have the cola. It's exclusive. That one, they have their own food, their own gym, their own food. It's just exclusive for a bit. We have mezzanine block if I want to introduce any project, I first of all talk to my inner circle, and all the things on top of it, the mezzanine block, they bought all of them. Alright, so I just have mentioned it on the 10th floor. So 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. So I think we have one bedroom. The one we live in and the one we have with you. Yeah, I will explain that to everyone. So here we can, whether it is the potable water, whether it is the 24 hours security, whether it is the heated electricity, whether it is the CCTV and all that, you are going to enjoy every bit of the Mufasa apartment. So now, when we go inside, I'll show you the idea that we have. You know, even with the name Mufasa did not just come like that. You know, it was carefully picked because we wanted to build something for kings, that when you enter inside your house, there's this feeling that you have that this is my space. You know, spacious, do all that. So let me not speed a bit. You will see it when we get up the stairs, and you will know that we had a vision. I'll tell anybody, if I want to buy into any real estate development, the first thing I look at is the vision of the founder, of the person driving the project. If the vision is good, yeah, and the person has shown consistency, I can put my money on that person. I can put my money on that project. So that's one thing that the Mufasa Apartment would assure you. But if there's any question concerning the project, I believe that we can do that after we have seen what we have done inside. And maybe we should just do the glimpse presentation now, because when we go in, everywhere will be rowdy. Now that we are all seated, there's some thought and with a sprinkle of luxury. And we believe that simple is the new luxury. Yeah, so we don't have to compact a space. We don't have to, you know, we just want a contemporary lifestyle, minimal, simple, straight to the point, and that's what Mufasa Apartment offers you. I mean, you're a king, you should be treated like one, is it? So from the way you unlock yourself into your apartment, the first thing you do is put your fingerprint. That is an identity thing. So let's go. So, come in. Come in, come in, come in. Come in. Welcome. I know what you saw outside does not look like the inside, but it's okay. It's only a matter of time. The outside will be looking like the inside. So let's all come in. Let's all come in so that we can close the door. Let's all come in. Let's all come in. So you can close the door. Let's close the door. Yeah. So starting from the thickness of the door, you can see that it's not something that you can just match and it will open. You would need extra power or a superpower to be able to do that. And that's the guest toilet. Spacious guest toilet. It's not the one that you have to bend. You know, open the door, you turn 360. So we have the guest toilet. This is the living room. So every part of Mufasa Apartment was crafted with excellence in mind, and we are particular about the kind of people that want to live here, the kind of feeling you have when you live in the Mufasa Apartment. So the first thing we did was to create a living, large space. Starting from the headroom to the tiling that we used, everything was detailed. Every piece of interior you see here was handpicked by my team and I, because we had the vision and we had what we wanted in mind. So every part of it was have the customer at heart. That's why we are people. We open our doors to you and we are showing you this sample apartment for you to have an idea of what we actually have in mind. So if you want more light into your living room, you can see that the curtain can open up to you. That's a balcony. Mufasa Apartment has 4 balconies. We have one in the north, the east, the west, and the south. It has 4 balconies over there. One to the dining side if you want the morning sun to touch you whilst you're taking your coffee, whilst you're taking your breakfast. Or this one here, if you want to have a chit chat with someone right at the balcony, you can take up to 4 people. And you can believe that you can. This bedroom actually looks like a living room for a 4-bedroom apartment, right? That's what we have done with the space. I mean, I've been to shortlets all over the world, and you can trust that we will not deliver anything less for you and for our client. Let's go to the Mufasa table, what it looks like. Every king deserves to be treated well. So if I'm treating you to lunch, dinner, or even breakfast on this table, I believe that you feel like a king even without putting a crown on top of your head, right? So that's the idea. So you can throw in more light, like I said, and it opens you up to a balcony right here. So there's a balcony, and now if you do not want light, if you do not have light and you just want fresh air, we have cross ventilation. So you open this, you open that, the kind of air you'll be receiving here. I'm not sure you want to use AC again. Next point of call would be the kitchen. Ladies first, please. Ladies first, please. This is your department. This is your department, ladies first. So so let's come in 5 or 6. Yeah. So our kitchen. Steam master. Masters with the space. So, space, comfort, you got it, you got it, you got it. That's the Mufasa. Solomon, you want to sign the check?
Yeah. I think I did one. On a biannual payment plan.
You know?
This is good.
Not bad.
I mean, the procedure does not teach us.
This is super excellent. Wow. In fact, I'm feeling like a king right now. Honestly, I'm feeling like a king. You can see the beauty of Mufasa. This apartment is a top notch, and this is what we are delivering in every unit. All right, so you can see the beauty, you can see the ambience. No, this is excellent delivery. And right now currently this one is selling for 67 million naira. The price will be reviewed upward to 72 million naira, while the 3-bedroom apartment still goes for 80 million naira, and the price is also going upward to 87 million naira. You have from the MD. See the beautiful kitchen, the beautiful delivery. Price of building materials has really increased. So you have from the MD, prices of building materials have really increased. You can earn a lot of money. See, even at 50% occupancy rate, you can be earning an average of 7.2 million yearly with short let. All right, so take advantage, and thank you for watching this video up to this point. Thank you for seeing the open house of Mufasa Apartments. So till next time that I come your way, keep prospering. Bye.